with Sophie. We're going to make magic white chocolate ice cream. We can make it without an ice cream maker. It's super easy. You can find the ingredients list in the description below. Let's get started. First, we're going to add ½ cup sweetened condensed milk to the bowl. You squirt down the jar or can to get every last bit in. Now this is 1/3 cup white chocolate chips. We're gonna dump them in, and then we melt them in the microwave. First, we're gonna mix it up a little bit with the spatula. And then you can just lay it on the side of the sink so that any drips fall into the sink. If you haven't used a microwave before, always ask an adult. So first, we're gonna microwave it for 30 seconds. Then we take it out and mix it with the spatula again. You can see they're starting to melt. Sink again, and then to the microwave again. Take it out, mix it with the spatula again. You have to do it multiple times so that you can get it all mixed around good. Alright, now we're going to add a pinch of salt or a couple shakes. And then we add 2 teaspoons of vanilla. Now we're going to mix this all together. And then we set it aside and get a bigger bowl. And we're gonna add the whipping cream to it. It can be 1 pint or 1½ cups. Pour it all in. Now we're gonna mix it with an electric mixer. First, let me put it in. If you have the faucet on the same side of the sink that you have the bowl, then you move it to the other side. Because you don't want any water in it, it's disgusting. I start mixing it on a 4. Let's see if it's done. It needs to be a little stiffer. Let's mix it a little more. Check it again now. Alright, that looks good, so it should look like this. Can we do that? And now to get it off, you put it back in the sink. To get off these, then you turn it up over the bowl, and then turn it up and higher. Okay. Now we're going to pour the white chocolate mixture into the whipped cream. put this in the sink. Now we're gonna gently mix it together. So you get it under and then lift it up. Scrape it, lift it up. It looks all mixed together, good. So we're gonna scrape this. And then pour it into an airtight container, but this is already one I can use. So I'll just leave it there. And then we'll put saran wrap on the top of it. And I put the lid on. We're gonna put it in the freezer for about 6 hours to freeze. This recipe is inspired by the Complete Cookbook for Young Chefs. If you want to find some more fun recipes, check it out. Click to subscribe. I hope you make this ice cream recipe in your kitchen soon. See you next time on Cooking Up Fun with Sophie.